House chores are a bore, something I abhor, and which I diligently shun. One awfully good excuse is I'm constantly on the run. That's why it may take a rainy day when there's really nothing else to do. Then on a sudden whim, I'll decide my case is looking kinda grim, and perhaps I'd better muster up the strength. And in fact I did at length. While I was listening to the rain, I did a chore that was decidedly mundane. Had all my things out on the floor, attempting to arrange my life more than I had before. Then, as I fumbled through this heap, how could I know what might be worth my while to keep? And since my spirits were so low, it ultimately dawned on me everything had to go. Countless odds and ends I had saved for 100 years, postcards from my friends and a mountain of souvenirs, knowing all too well how I'd miss them, yet it was time to dismiss them as sort of an encumbrance to my brain. While I was listening to the rain, I found a number and address I'd long been looking for in vain. Something was lifting in the air. I felt so very pleased to find how all that rain had so eased my mind. That moment of despair had passed, a sign of new hope was there at last.